on utility area organization. Utility area is the place where we keep our washing machine or wash utensils. It's mostly back of the kitchen. As this area is always hidden, it's sometimes ignored or used as a dumping zone. It has happened with me as well. But the aim was to have an organized and functional utility area. In this video, I'm going to show you the organization and tips which may help you to organize or redesign your utility area. Hello everyone, welcome to Chitra's Lifestyle. If you do watch such interesting videos, then please subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon. Also, follow us on social media. Our channel handle is Home Flavors with Chitra. With no delay, let's get into the video. My utility area is unfurnished place. To organize all my daily essentials, I have used several types of organizers. All organizers links and price details are given in the description box. The left hand side of the utility area, I have placed our laundry basket, which will be used to dump all our dirty clothes. On top of that, I have placed normal clothing hanger to get hold of all our cleaning and dusting brushes. And also I have placed one jute organizer to organize all my utensil cleaning supplies. Just beside that, I have placed two apple bin baskets to organize kitchen and floor towels. Also, all large size shopping bags. In this way, you will be in a tension-free zone. Because whenever we go shopping and need of any large size bags, we will be spending a lot of time for searching for it. And in hurry, we may buy a new one. Here comes the lifesaver for everyone. If you organize everything in a proper way, you will be get it whenever you are in a need. Isn't it a good idea? Then hit the like button. Next, I have my LG top load washing machine. I used a washing machine cover to protect it from dust. Always place your washing machine on top of the stand, where it will be very easy for you to clean the undersurface. Here I have used a metal stand from Amazon. And yes, it does its job perfectly. Next, coming to the most favorite item in my utility area, trolley basket. In this way, you can organize all your cleaning essentials in one place. Also, it saves a lot of space. It's very easy to pull out and do your work at any time. We do have 4 shelves in this, and on the top shelf, I have organized my laundry cleaning powder along with some window cleaning brushes. Always use a microfiber cloth for dusting purpose. To clean the window and door railings, use a small toothbrush, or you can use a paintbrush like this. Moving to the second shelf, here I have bathroom freshener and pesticide sprays. Moving on to the third shelf, here I have all my liquid detergent along with some extra supplies. And down below, I have all my floor and bathroom cleaning essentials like Lysol, Harpic and some cleaning brushes. One trolley, it saves a lot of space and also you can organize many items in it. I will definitely recommend this item to you if your utility is unfurnished. It is very easy to pull out and work, and also you can move it anywhere you want. Isn't it a good idea to organize all your stuff like this? Give a thought about it. Next, coming to my utensil washing area. I have someone to help me on that, so I left this space empty for him. After cleaning utensils, I use the space to keep my dish draining baskets. Next comes the another lifesaver. The broom and the mop lie everywhere if it's not organized properly. So here I have used a magic broom and mop holder to organize all my daily used stuff. Even though these are messy items, now it looks very neat and tidy. Next, I have this wooden shelf. Here I have used to organize all my extra doormats. Next, we have this corner 3-tier shelf organizer which I used to store all my dishes cleaning items and garbage covers. In this way, my house help can access it very easily. And down I have some stuff for the DIY purpose like empty cool drinks bottles and the liquid detergent cups. Next I have placed 2 cover organizer, the small one for the polythene covers and the big one for the cloth bags. And that's it, we are almost done with our utility area. Make sure to keep a proper space for everything we use. Then our daily life will be super comfortable and organized. If you like this video, then give me a big thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to our channel to watch more such interesting videos. I'll be seeing you guys with another interesting video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.